The world is full of places so beautiful they seem almost unreal. From snow-capped peaks to pristine beaches and lush jungles, here are the top 10 most beautiful countries you must visit in 2025. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our video. Let's start the countdown. Number 10. Switzerland. Switzerland is home to some of the most stunning landscapes on Earth. Think snow-capped peaks, pristine lakes, and picturesque villages. Whether you're hiking in the Alps or skiing in Zermatt, Switzerland will take your breath away. Number 9. New Zealand, dramatic landscapes. New Zealand's landscapes are straight out of a fantasy movie. From lush green hills and dramatic fjords to peaceful lakes and unique geothermal hotspots, this country has an unmatched variety of natural beauty. Number 8. Iceland, unique natural wonders. Iceland offers some of the most unique natural beauty on Earth. Think volcanoes, glaciers, geysers, and waterfalls. Not to mention, the mystical northern lights illuminate the winter skies, making this country an otherworldly experience. Number 7. Canada, stunning wilderness coastal beauty. From the Rocky Mountains to the vast forests of British Columbia, Canada offers some of the most pristine and untouched landscapes in the world. If you're a nature lover, this country is a paradise for hiking, wildlife spotting, and exploring wilderness. Number 6. Italy's scenic coasts, rolling hills. Italy's beauty isn't just in its ancient ruins, it's in its landscapes too. The Amalfi Coast offers dramatic cliffs and crystal-clear waters, while Tuscany's rolling hills are dotted with vineyards and charming towns. And don't forget the beauty of the Italian lakes. Number 5. Norway, majestic fjords, snow-capped peaks. Norway is pure magic. Its fjords are like giant blue ribbons cutting through towering cliffs, while the northern lights create an ethereal glow in the winter sky. Whether hiking or cruising along the coast, Norway is simply breathtaking. Number 4. Australia beaches, rainforests, and outback. From the vibrant Great Barrier Reef to the vast outback and tropical rainforests, Australia is a land of contrast. Its diverse landscapes, from pristine beaches to ancient rock formations, make it one of the most beautiful countries on Earth. Number 3. South Africa. Diverse ecosystems, stunning landscapes. South Africa offers a stunning array of landscapes, from the iconic Table Mountain in Cape Town to the vast savannas of Kruger National Park. It's a country where you can enjoy wild safaris, scenic coastlines, and breathtaking mountain views. Number 2. Japan's serene nature, modern beauty. Japan's beauty lies in its perfect blend of the natural and the modern. From the majestic Mount Fuji to the serene cherry blossoms of Kyoto, Japan offers beauty in every season. The blend of traditional gardens and futuristic cities makes it a visual feast. Number 1. Bhutan, the land of happiness. At number 1 is Bhutan, often referred to as the last Shangri-La. Nestled in the Himalayas, its dramatic landscapes, Buddhist monasteries, and vibrant culture make it one of the most beautiful countries on Earth. It's a place where nature and spirituality merge perfectly. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you will like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.